Hi friends, I am so excited to be bringing Scentworx to HSN. Scentworx was created by Harry Slacken, and he is known as the king of home fragrance. He has spent decades perfecting and developing that luxury home fragrance industry, and now he's bringing these body products to HSN. So let's get into it. This is his layering kit in Blushing Blossom. It honestly smells like springtime in a bottle, and the whole idea is just to elevate those everyday experiences through beautiful scents. So imagine getting ready, getting in the shower, you've had a rough night of sleep, or you just don't feel yourself. The second you get in that shower and you start using Blushing Blossom body wash, you're gonna smell the pink currant, the pink jasmine, there's even black ruby plums in here, and just like beautiful floral blossoms, and it creates this nice luxurious lather. It's cleansing, it's hydrating, it has vitamin E, it has aloe, it has essential oils. Harry puts essential oils into every single product. So my suggestion, start with the body wash. You get 16 ounces, so this is gonna last and last and last. Then I'm gonna move into the body lotion. When you start with the body wash and then you move into a body lotion, this is a really great way to lock in scent. Now, this body lotion is silky and smooth. You know, some body lotions are a little bit like waxy, or you kind of like need to wait for them to absorb. Not this one. It feels so good. And again, oh my God, that's good. You're getting scents of floral blossoms, pink currants, pink jasmine, which is kind of adding a little bit of that intense floral vibe. You know, I live in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and in the springtime, just for like 2 weeks, all the trees turn pink. It is stunning, but it just lasts for 2 weeks. So with this lotion, maybe it's a gray, wintry day, and you're just like, I need a burst of sunshine or something to elevate my mood. You're gonna put on this body lotion and feel so good. So the next layer is the fragrance mist. I love this because it's not as, it's diluted a little bit. It's not as intense. Ooh, just got it in my mouth, but still fabulous. Oh, it smells really good. This is a way that you can enjoy fragrance, but nothing too heavy. This is light, this is soft, this is subtle. You can use it on your body, on your clothes. You can spray this in a room. I mean, I am keeping this in my mudroom because that's where the kids come and dump all their shoes after school, and that room definitely needs some spritzing. But this is also, again, another layering tool. So it's a way to make these everyday moments better. It's just gonna improve your quality of life. And sometimes that's all you need, just a beautiful scent to uplift you. And finally, you have the hand soap. This is what I use the most. Anything that motivates my kids to wash their hands is a win for me. So again, you're getting that pink jasmine, those floral blossoms. These are fruity, light floral scents. You have pink currant, black ruby plum, and everything has vitamin E, aloe, and essential oils. And that's the difference. All we want to do with Scentworx is to allow you to elevate those everyday moments and make something little and routine feel special. And you can do that with the power of scent. So enjoy this layering kit, and I'll see you soon.